In the gas industry, reliability is essential. High-pressure systems and hazardous environments demand equipment that performs without failure. Processes like sweetening, dehydration, and fractionation all rely on seamless operations. But hidden beneath insulation, a silent threat grows: corrosion under insulation. CUI can be severe, like in intermittent operations. When vapor seals fail, moisture gets in, coatings degrade, and inspections can come too late. But what happens if you could detect CUI early, while there's still time to act? With corrosion and moisture sensors installed directly on the asset's surface beneath the insulation, such as foam glass, CorrosionRADAR's remote CUI monitoring solution continuously tracks the asset condition, delivering predictive insights straight to your desk on where and when CUI is likely to develop. No hidden risks, no guesswork, no delays. Just the right information at the right time. Undetected CUI today puts safety and reliability at risk tomorrow. Predict, detect, protect. Find out how remote monitoring supports safer, more efficient gas operations at CorrosionRADAR.com.